If the seasons of an entire year could be captured with your ears, this is what spring would sound like. This is what the heat, beach, and summer sand would sound like. Next, the leaves turn yellow, orange, and brown. Do you hear it? It's autumn. And this gives way to the cold, the ice, and the snow of the white winter. This is poetry for your eyes, but today I'm here to talk to you about poetry for your ears. And that's because Antonio Meze, lead designer and founder of the Romanian company Meze, a brand that's taking off like a rocket and is achieving sales records and outstanding reviews internationally, has created an incredible device. It's called Meze Elite Tungsten, and it literally lets you dream with your ears. You already know that on this channel I've tested the best brands of the best audio in the world, and currently 90% of those brands come from China. This makes the impact that Meze is achieving even more remarkable. For many years, my favorite headphones were the Sennheiser HD800S. And I say were because after listening to the crazy invention by Antonio Meze, the Meze Elite have become my new favorite headphones. But this goes beyond just simple headphones. The Meze Elite Tungsten is a sound, a dream for lovers of the best audio, something I thought was impossible. And here I'm going to try to explain to you what it feels like through a very different review. Later on, I'll also give you a couple of musical gifts, and above all, I'll try to make you feel what I feel every time I listen to music with this evolution of headphones. Although I can already tell you that some of you are going to fall out of your chairs when we get to the price section. But is it really worth it? I guess, as they say, good things come at a price. Even more so if, as is the case here, it's designed so your grandchildren can inherit it without the slightest bit of wear. An unboxing in the snow. Why not? These Meze headphones definitely look great against the white background of the snow. Look at this beauty. I could almost have come to these places in a suit and tie because these headphones definitely deserve it. The presentation is incredible. The case matches its price. However, the metal gears on this case can get scratched pretty easily, so be careful with that. And what it is really made for, to withstand absolutely anything, are these headphones, the Meze Elite. And you can see the inner lining of this case. They are absolutely well protected. So what does it come with inside? These stratospheric headphones help you listen to a kind of multi-dimensional music, as I'll explain in a moment. The person you saw is Antonio Meze. And take a look at this point. And they're numbered because they're handmade. Each one has its own serial number. And this is something I love. It comes with 2 extra pads. These 2 pads are made of Alcantara that's micro-perforated on one side, but they're not regular pads. I'll explain later why they have so much history. And the thing is, this brilliant pair of headphones features a unique technology even for its pads. And in this leather case is where the cable would be. A cable couldn't be anything less than top-notch. And I'll tell you in advance that this cable alone costs almost 500 euros just so you get an idea of the quality. They're made with state-of-the-art Furukawa copper wire, coated with pure silver. Plus, they're braided in 8 strands. And just so you know, the purity of the materials is 99.99%. In this case, the cable ends in 2 mini XLR connectors and has a 6.3 mm in jack output. Maybe for the price, I would have liked them to include another 4.4 mm balanced cable. And now, let's move on to the Meze Elite Tungsten. It's been a while since I had that wow feeling when opening a package. And at this point, I have to emphasize that the design is not only beautiful and eye-catching, but it's also extraordinarily comfortable. In fact, they're made and designed so you can put them on your head, forget you're wearing them, and use them for many hours without feeling any kind of fatigue. That last name, tungsten, refers to one of the toughest metals on the planet, and they've managed to achieve a texture similar to stone. They coat each part of the frame with a material called Cerakote, which is currently one of the best types of finishes available, especially when it comes to its durability. Nowadays, this material is actually used in the high-end automotive industry. The aerospace industry, as well as the defense and healthcare sectors, also use it. It's also made with very high-quality carbon fiber and leather to reduce the weight. We're talking about a total weight of 433 grams, but I assure you that with the tricks they use to position it on your head, it feels much lighter. I don't know how they managed to do it. Until now, Sennheiser headphones were the most comfortable ones I had tried, but even though the technology they use is planar magnetic, which makes them a bit heavier, Meze has made it so that when you put them on your head, you forget you're even wearing them. All right, handcrafted, artisanal design made to last at least 5 lifetimes. This would actually be the gear to adjust it to the height of your ears, so it fits well, plus it's extraordinarily flexible. But take a look at these little details. You can tell that everything is made and designed with the utmost care and attention to detail. Also, all the parts are easily removable. They can be replaced and repaired easily. This makes their lifespan much longer. And unlike other headphones, you can already see these Meze on the right. They have a certain continuity in that U-shape, which opens to the sides, making them very comfortable. I've been using them for a few weeks, and they're not only comfortable but also addictive, although in this, the sound plays a crucial role. Obviously, I'll talk to you about how they sound next, but I assure you the whole package is an absolute 10. But now let's talk about one of the most ingenious tricks I've seen in the audio industry, and it's right here, in its ear pads. By the way, the ones you're seeing are the leather ones. These are the ones I especially recommend for more energetic music, more pop, more rock, where bass and few instruments predominate. They are extraordinarily comfortable, just like the Alcantara ones. But if we focus only on comfort, I think I would choose the Alcantara ones first. But let's talk about the ear pads. These are not your typical ear pads that have visible circular magnets. They attach and detach. By the way, they do this very easily. Instead, they have a technology that surrounds them, and it plays a very important role in the audio listening experience. They also shield the magnetic field by 95% from the technology used by planar magnetics, but these ear pads use the demagnetizing field, which is generated by the driver itself to keep the ear pad in place. And at the same time, it redirects the magnetic field back toward the driver itself. And this also improves efficiency, but let's get to the heart of these Meze Elite. And it's right here. This is what makes these headphones so expensive. This is where the real magic happens. The most impressive sound I've ever heard in the history of this channel. By the way, this year marks its 10th anniversary. I mean, it's a good way to celebrate my 10th anniversary with these headphones, which are the pinnacle of the best audio I've ever heard in my life. And I assure you, I'm not exaggerating in the slightest. If the design is a work of art, what's inside, its driver, wasn't going to be left behind. There are more than 30 years of innovation in what you're seeing. The partner and friend company of Meze is called Rinaro. It's a company founded in Ukraine, and they were fundamental in the development of this isodynamics hybrid technology. This custom driver was designed by Rinaro. It offers the most powerful experience I've ever heard. The distortion is less than 0.05%. That means the distortion is absolutely minimal. It's very light, only 75 grams. It also allows audio up to 112,000 hertz, which is absolutely insane. Ultra high resolution audio, that's something I also like. You'll see it later when I compare it with the Sennheiser HD800S. Unlike the Sennheiser, they're very easy to drive. They only have 32 ohms of impedance at 101 decibels. That means you don't need a very powerful power source. However, they do benefit from more power. And you can see that double system in the differentiated diaphragm. The coil that zigzags focuses on the lower frequencies and the mids, and the spiral coil, the one in gold tone, it would focus on the high and upper mid frequencies. Plus, They're positioned with millimeter precision so that they're right over the ear canal, so that they precisely achieve proper positioning in each ear canal. After all, this huge driver, it's created with the purpose of achieving supreme audio. You could even say perfect. But is the audio that this Meze Elite Tungsten produces really perfect? Let's find out. According to the company, these Elite are made and designed to offer a sound where purest emotion prevails. In other words, a sound that literally makes you cry. And I can tell you in advance that it hasn't just happened to me, but also to people who have tried them and have a certain sensitivity. For example, people who work in music or who are composers. When you listen to your favorite music, your favorite song, your favorite album, you don't just discover things you hadn't heard before, little details, little notes, certain instruments that you didn't know where to place. And with these headphones, you could place them. But it also touches your soul. It reaches your heart. This is hard to explain in a YouTube video. But those of you who are truly audio lovers, and if you've made it this far in the video, you probably are, then you'll understand me. When music touches the soul, well, these Elite have that ability. And I assure you, there are very few that have managed to reach that supreme level. There is something almost ineffable that comes through you. It's totally different from anything you've ever heard. The positioning. You notice, for example, when a singer moves away from the microphone, comes closer, or sings from the side, the instruments have much more separation. You can place them perfectly. The width is enormous. And this has surprised me, because the soundstage is even bigger than that of the Sennheiser HD800 ES. I thought this wasn't possible. And Meze has made it possible with their Elite Tungsten. Here you can see that I'm testing it with this Ever Solo. I'll be reviewing it for the channel soon. It's an absolute powerhouse in audio. And you can even play CDs on it like in the old days. By the way, the track you heard by Max Rider from Vivaldi's Four Seasons, I'll upload it in the highest resolution to my Telegram channel. You'll have it there in FLAC format. I'll leave the link below in the video description so you can enjoy it with your best headphones. And I'll also share another track that I've really enjoyed because it's not just classical music that you can enjoy. I assure you the bass is absolutely delightful. I'll also share an amazing track by John Mayer, an incredible artist with impressive post-production. It sounds exceptionally good. I've listened to that song I'm going to share with you about 20 million times, but with these headphones, it takes on a whole new dimension. You hear things you've never heard before. And that, I insist, is probably what justifies their high price. It's like going from watching TV on a €200 television to another TV. For example, a Sony Bravia OLED that costs €4,000. The difference is huge in this case. Not for your eyes, but for your ears. On this channel, I've already tried true gems from Meze. For example, the Meze Poet. But these are 2 or 3 steps above. And not just above the Meze Poet, but also above other references I mentioned. The ones that, until now, were my favorite headphones. The Sennheiser HD800S. First of all, you can already see it there in the print. 300 ohms. An absolute beast to drive, compared to the 32 ohms of impedance that these Meze Elite have. But the details, the sound, the vocals, and especially the bass are much better in the Elite. In this case, even the soundstage. That is, the width is greater in the Elite. As I was saying, it was something that I thought was unthinkable. I thought the ceiling was with the Sennheisers you have on the left. But without a doubt, this Romanian company has broken that ceiling. And not just with the Ever Solo. I've tried them with these iBasso DX340. The top of the line from this great brand, iBasso. Absolute madness when it comes to high-fidelity audio. And at this point, I have to say that the synergy is spectacular. It doesn't matter what kind of music you listen to, its tone, its detail, its soundstage, and above all, its musicality. It has an addictive sweetness. Once you put them on your ears, you can't stop listening to music on them. That extended, amplified curiosity, wanting to know how this song sounds, how the other one sounds, how this style or the other sounds. even watching movies or playing games. It's an otherworldly experience. The mid-range. The vocals sound clear. The detail retrieval is impressive. The highs, which are sweet, it doesn't produce any kind of sibilance, and the bass is something I really liked a lot. It's not a bass that makes your ears rumble, but it's very well placed, it's very precise, and it doesn't muddy any other frequency at all. Plus, everything is extraordinarily well separated. The layers are endless, and just like the leather pads, I would mainly use them to listen to more energetic music, or music with more bass. I would mainly use the Alcantara pads for music with lots of instruments, and where you need to perceive a larger sound stage. I assure you that the experience of listening to music with these headphones is nothing like anything I've tried so far, and you already know that I've tried many of the best audio devices over these 10 years on my channel. And now, let's get to the point I know some of you have been waiting for. So hold on tight to your chair, or wherever you're sitting right now, because we're going to talk about the price. How much do these Meze Elite Tungsten cost? Afterwards, I'll tell you if I think it's worth it or not. But you have to keep in mind everything I've been saying in this video about the materials, about the years of development, and above all, that we're talking about a high-end product. Well, here is the price. 4,000 euros or $4,000? It depends on where you live. I'll leave the link below in the video description. There, you'll also find all the more technical details explained better, with photos and so on. I recommend taking a look if you're interested. But are they really worth 4,000 euros? Well, if you have the money and you're an audio enthusiast, absolutely yes, it's honestly mind-blowing. It's like if a movie buff who has a 200 euro TV decides to upgrade to a 4,000 euro TV because he can and because he wants to enjoy his favorite hobby with a top-of-the-line television. Without a doubt, he's going to notice a huge difference. And at this point, if you're a movie buff who wants the best audio in the world and you can afford it right now, I can't think of a better alternative for that price. To enjoy audio that until now I thought was impossible. From now on, in every video I make on this channel that has to do with audio, I'll use these Meze Elite Tungsten as my main headphones. I think they're truly reference headphones. They're like the top of the line of the best TV, the best smartphone, and something that, without a doubt, has the power to move you. We live in a time where technology is dehumanizing us, distracting us from that gift of being moved by beauty, and analyzing something as incredible as these headphones, which is hard to convey through a video. How much they're able to touch your soul, as I mentioned before, is something that fills me with happiness. I guess that after 10 years making videos, it's this kind of device that brings back my enthusiasm for creating content. A different kind of content that merges and does justice to what this work of art created by Antonio Meze is able to convey. I can only say thank you. And if you are also a music connoisseur, an audiophile, these Meze Elite are a temple of the best audio. And at this point, subscribe if you haven't already and leave me a like so I can keep filming in these spectacular landscapes and blending these beautiful images with devices that make you feel truly amazing. And with this idyllic ending, I say goodbye. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll leave you 2 links in the description, both the purchase link and my Telegram channel with the 2 free songs, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and see you soon.